Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel, Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency, which is called Zilliqa. Now, Zilliqa has been trending for the last, I should say, like a 6 hours time. So I decided to make a video on it because it seems, I believe the reason it is trending right now, it's because it has a dip which may or may not be a good time to buy Zilliqa. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into some news as well as I'm going to go into the price predictions, where we see it going, etc, etc. So if this is your first time here, make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications turned on, because we do give you trending news when it comes to cryptocurrency. We give you signals, etc, etc. So right now I'm going to have Ryan read out the, not Ryan, but I'll have the price live data read out for you for Zilliqa in the last 24 hours.
ZIL price live data. The live Zilliqa price today is $0.204806 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $186,756,50 USD. Zilliqa is down 6.77% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is #61, with a live market cap of $2,308,986,251 USD. It has a circulating supply of 11,274,029,571 ZIL coins and a maximum supply of 21 billion ZIL coins. If you would like to know where to buy Zilliqa, the top exchanges for trading in Zilliqa are currently Binance, Huobi Global, OKX, FTX, and Upbit.
So I only believe it's fair for me to give you an explanation of Zilliqa as well as what Zilliqa is used for. So here's that as well.
What is Zilliqa, ZIL? Zilliqa is a public, permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with the ability to complete thousands of transactions per second. It seeks to solve the issue of blockchain scalability and speed by employing sharding as a second-layer scaling solution. The platform is home to many decentralized applications, and as of October 2020, it also allows for staking and yield farming. Development work officially started on Zilliqa in June 2017, and its testnet went live in March 2018. A little over a year later, in June 2019, the platform launched its mainnet. The native utility token of Zilliqa, ZIL, is used to process transactions on the network and execute smart contracts.
So as promised, let's get into some Zilliqa news, as well as let's find out the reason why it's trending this much. So when I head over here to the Twitter account for Zilliqa, it's saying Patricia, she retweeted that Google searches show a spike in interest in the project. So when we go over here, we see that it's saying that Zilliqa stats on Google Trends shows that the interest in the coin grows as the other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum hits new highs this week. Zilliqa stands out as one of the first projects to successfully harness the power of sharding as a scaling solution, while other projects including Ethereum and are planning to implement sharding. Zilliqa was among the first to demonstrate that it can work. Interest in the Zilla ecosystem. Some features of the Zilliqa ecosystem have been pushing the price of ZIL higher in 2021. Among them is the continued development of ZilliSwap. Zilliqa's DEX, Zilliqa Swap, is at the very heart of Zilliqa's drive towards decentralized finance by enabling Zilliqa's blockchain users to trade in digital assets. ZilliSwap is a product automated market maker built by Switch.io developers, which is identical to Uniswap, unauthorized liquidity protocols. Users can exchange ZIL, etc., etc. So you get the picture. You can pause it and you can read it if you'd like. So now, as promised as well, let me go into the price predictions, or I would usually say the frequently asked questions when it comes to Zilliqa. So as I have here the Zilliqa price prediction. So should I invest in Zilliqa cryptocurrency? Should I buy Zilliqa today? According to our forecast, ZIL is an awesome long-term investment. That is 1 year investment. Zilliqa can be a profitable investment option. Zilliqa price equal to 0.2034 USD as of date. If Zilliqa is bought for 100 today, you will get a total of 491.553 ZIL. Based on our forecast, and long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 to date would be this date in 2026 is $1.249 US. With a 5 year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 514%. Your current $100 investment may be up to $614 in 2026. Now, questions that persons frequently have about Zilliqa would be, what is Zilliqa's price today? The current price for Zilliqa is $0.02. What will Zilliqa price grow slash go up? Yes, the price of Zilliqa can go up from $0.02 to $0.44 USD in 1 year. Is it profitable to invest in Zilliqa? Yes, the long-term potential is 117% in 1 year. Will Zilliqa price fall slash drop? No, we do not see a fall slash drop in the Zilliqa's price. What will Zilliqa be worth in 5 years? Zilliqa will be worth approximately around $1.02 in about 5 years. Will Zilliqa be replace slash overtake Bitcoin? According to our predictions, we don't see this happening. And will Zilliqa crash? No. According to our analysis, we do not see this happening. Will Zilliqa hit 1 USD in a year? We don't see this happening within a year. Will it hit one? Will it hit 5 USD in 5 years? We don't see this happening. Will it hit 10 USD in 1 year? As well as that, we do not see that happening in about 1 year's time. So there, guys, there you have our predictions as well as our analysis, I should say, our price analysis for Zilliqa. So if this is your first time here, as you see, we give you solid information. We give you solid information as well as real time trends. So what I'd like you to do is just please like the video as well as subscribe with the post notifications turned on. And yeah, as well as if you're looking for a place whereby you want to store your cryptocurrency, I highly recommend Trezor Hardware Wallet. It'll be in the description below. You can go there to check out and where you can store your Bitcoin. So your not only Bitcoin but your Zilliqa and other cryptocurrencies. So guys, if you have any questions or so, leave them in the comment section below. As I always say, we always read every comment. We read every comment and we reply to every single comment as long as they're worth replying to. Like if it's like nice video, I mean, I guess I would probably reply to that. I'm saying too much at this point. So guys, have a great day cryptoing. Whiteboard World signing out. Have a wonderful day.